Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Zahiri bin Muhammad Sabri. Today our group will presenting MEC600 Engineer in Society Group Assignment Sulam SDG and Project Management for Faculty of Mechanical Engineering. So firstly for the management team we have a Professor Madya IRTS Dr. Muhammad Ali bin Ahmad. It is as an advisor, and Wan Muhammad Akif bin Jafri as director, Umar Mukhlis bin Aldan, deputy director, and Shahid Nur Iman bin Ahmad Shukri, secretary, Zuhairi bin Muhammad Zabri, treasurer, Zahir bin Badaruzaman, committee member inventory. Next, we move to the program activities. For the program activities, as you can see, this is a poster for our main program. So this our main program, which is workshop for basic maintenance for motorcycle and food bank. It is held on Kampung Selarong, Pengkalan Hulu, Perak. Next, we have a program for webinar Destiny Anak Bangsa and webinar Pendidikan for kepentingan ilmu. This program is held on Google Meet platform. So we move to the objective. So firstly, our objective for this program is for food bank for people that need it and underprivileged. And next is a conduct physical workshop for maintenance of motorcycle and give a new knowledge to community at the Kampung Selarong. And also, by doing the webinar, which is SDG awareness program to students that will pursuing the study in university.
Now is for community serve. We have two webinars here, which is for Destiny Anak Bangsa and SDG. For Destiny Anak Bangsa, we have a speaker from UITM Perak, and she is the coordinator for Unit Mengubah Destiny Anak Bangsa, which is MDAB. Then for our SDG webinar, our speaker is from College Community Sungai Petani Kedah, Puan Sobah binti Abdul Hamid, and she is the director of that place. Both of these webinar, we use an online platform which is Google Meet, and the participant is 30. Next, for our community serve, we make a food bank at Masjid Al-Aula. The participant for that food bank is 5 families, B40. Next is Bengkel Asas Service Motorcycle. It's also made at most area, and the participant also 5 families, B40. And then for the creativity, encourage the participant to pursue higher education, awareness on the importance of education, and then widen the perspective through the experience sharing. For the innovation, add new knowledge on how to do maintenance for motorcycle, and create the connection between community and co-organizer.
My name is Muhammad Jeffrey. Next, we move for the 5 mechanisms that we get from the program. The first one for the approach, we use the advertisement, spreading positive in social media, and for the direct approach with the community there at Pengkalan Hulu, Perak. For the action, we conduct a webinar, 2 webinar program, webinar Destiny Anak Bangsa and webinar Kepentingan Ilmu, conduct a food bank program and conduct a workshop with penjagaan asas motosikal. And for the learning, we're collecting feedback, we identify problem, so when we identify, we get a solution, and we organize a proper program to make sure it's function properly. And for the reflection, internally, it's we be attentive and responsive as a student. We must be attentive and responsive to our teams, or so the teamwork will be good. And rational in making decision is important. As a leader, must have a rational mechanism to get a good decision. And for the improve, be more structured and comprehensive when planning future events. Next, we move to the impact. The first one is strengthen the relationship. The next one is increase base volunteer and develop business related to motorcycle repair. And for this, we get from the community there. They get volunteer and from the community at Masjid Pengkalan Hulu Perak. And we encourage people to donate. The last one is educate student in high level of study, which by using where we conduct the webinar, students can manage themselves and be good attitude to proceed in the high level of education to make them more better and be a successful person. And I think for the this webinar, we focus on the pro diploma, which is target from five students at SMK Tosaban. That's all from me. Okay, next we move for the challenge of this program. The first one is of course the time management. Time management is really important because our team need to follow the time that is managed to make sure the program becomes smooth. And the next one is financial. Financial is important as our program does not have enough financial to set up the program to be more successful. And lastly is for the communication. It's a bit quite challenge for us to communicate with the community there, and of course it's become challenge for us. And for the opportunity, the first one is knowledge, and which is knowledge we get there many that we have in our future. And the last one is for the connection. Connection is important because we get the opportunity to talk with the community about our program and make sure they understand with the program that we want to make there. This all from me. Thank you.
Okay, next is improvement. First is provide vending machine. Food banks may find vending machines to be a beneficial tool for providing food in a handy and approachable manner. Vending machines should be placed in community centers, schools, and other public areas. This can make it easy for people in need to acquire food, even when food bank distribution locations are closed. People in need also won't have to wait for their name to be mentioned because a vending machine for a food bank has been provided for them. Next is provide sensor. When storing food, especially when offering vending machines as an alternative food banks need to provide sensor to ensure its safety and ease of use. Food bank can identify which items are running low and replace them by using sensor to track real-time inventory levels in the same way that vending machine inventory level were tracked. In addition, it can measure the temperature and humidity to make sure that food is preserved and stored at acceptable temperatures. Okay. Next is provide a continuous program for the course conductor. Lastly is provide sufficient funds for tools and equipment for the workshop. Okay, for collaboration, the collaboration that we did was with Masjid Al-Aula, Sri Hot Moto Sendirian Berhad, College Community Kedah, and UITM Perak. Okay, this is the video for our program which is program at Masjid Al-Aula. First we program Next is Bengkel Asas Service Motorcycle. For this program, we collect with Sri Wat Motor Sindiran Berhad. The task that we did was change engines oil and did some fix minor problems at motorcycle. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.